Here's our water treatment system in our house. You got a little bit going on here. Nothing too elaborate, but it's pretty straightforward. We're on a well. We're not on city water, so we have quite a bit of iron, and it's kind of hard as well. So working our way from the right to the left, we got the brine tank, softener, carbon filter, the 2 contact tanks. Got the pressure tank and then the Stenner pump over there, injecting the bleach in. So we went with 2 contact tanks just for more contact time. We got 4 people in the house, but we figured, if we have more contact time, it's only going to help. So we do this as a business as well. Well, we're plumbers, do water treatment as well. So a lot of people don't keep up on them. That's the main problem. You always got to be putting bleach in, getting the right mixture in, putting salt in as well. And then we do iron out as well. We have over here in between each bag. It just only helps. So one thing we noticed though is a lot of people don't flush the tanks. So that's what we're going to do here is, honestly, every few months I do it. You can never do it too much, I guess. And then just blow out all the iron. So don't mind the water over here. That's from my last video. I had to fix that monstrosity there. So if you're interested, take a look at that video. But we're on a 3-to-1 bleach ratio here. 3 parts water to 1 part bleach. So we got the Stenner pump on the 10-gallon tank. And that's just mounted on and runs over to the main line there to get contact time and mix. So this is why I'll show you why it's important. I'll just go ahead and flip on the valve here. Kind of drain off a lot on the bottom there. Also, what I like to do is kind of turn it off and let it settle for a minute and kind of blast it on and off a couple times. And we'll do this on each tank. I got a shut off there as well that I'll do. But mainly it's in this first one here, which is worse. That one's not as bad. And that's the first 5 gallons right there. So I figured I'd just hook it up to a hose and then I can just run it until it runs clear. Easier to monitor, but it's getting there. It's probably drained off about 15 gallons. And I'm pretty happy with it. That's probably 20, 25 gallons right there. It's running pretty clear. Way better than before. And that's the second tank. I knew that one was going to be a lot cleaner than the other one. Not too bad. So I hope that was informative and a reminder to flush your tanks every now and then. Like I said, I do that every 3 or 4 months, give or take. And it helps to stay on top of things like that. It'll make it last a lot longer. So my grandpa always said, if you take care of it, it will take care of you. So with that said, have a good one.